Hello children, we meet again with exercise 2.5 in part 14 of linear equation in one variable. In this part, we will be doing question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is nothing but extension of exercise 2.1 and 2.3. You have to solve the equations. The equations which look complex, they look complex, but actually they are simple. So these type of equations, we will first convert them into simple equations and then solve them. So let's begin. X upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. As usual, we will first collect the terms with x on one side and the constant terms on the other side. So let's do that. Here x upon 2 minus x upon 3, because here it was plus, when it goes on the other side it becomes negative, which is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 was negative here. When it goes on the other side, it becomes positive. Now we take LCM. Children, now we will take it directly. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So you multiply this x with 3, because we have to convert the denominator into 6. So naturally 2 3s are 6. So 3 into x is 3x minus 3 2s are 6. So 2 into x is 2x. So 3x minus 2x upon 6. You can cross multiply also if you can't understand. So LCM is 6. So 3x minus 2x, which is equal to, here also the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 5 ones are 5 and 4 ones are 4. So 5 plus 4. So 3x minus 2x is x upon 6, which is equal to 9 upon 20. Now we cross multiply. So 20 into x. This 20, when it goes on the other side, here it is in division. When it goes on the other side, it is multiplied. Here 6 is in division. When it goes on the other side, it will multiplied with the numerator, which is 9. This is called cross multiplication. So from now onwards, I will just directly say that we cross multiply. So 20 into x is equal to 9 into 6. So 20x, which is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 upon 20, which is equal to 27 upon 10. We take the tables of 2. 2 tens are and 2 27s are. We cannot further simplify it, so we will leave it as it is. So x is equal to 27 upon 10. Let's take the second one. N upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. Now, first you have to take LCM of 2, 4 and 6. And LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. You know how to find the LCM by division method. You can find the LCM and you will get it as 12. Now, here, the denominator is 12. So, we have to convert this 2 into 12. We know that 2 6s are. So, we multiply the numerator with 6. So, 6 into n is 6n minus, now here, 4 3s are. So, 3 into 3n is minus 9n. Same way here, 6 2s are 12. So, 2 into 5n is equal to plus 10n. And common denominator we take 12. Once again, I will explain this once again. Please pay attention. LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. So, you take a common denominator 12. Now, we know that to convert 2 into 12, we need to multiply it with 6. So, we have already written here 12. So, numerator we multiply with 6. 6 into n is 6n. Similarly, 4 3s are 12. So I also multiply the numerator with 3. So 3 into minus 3n is minus 9n. 6 2s are 12. So I also multiply the numerator with 2. So 2 into 5n is 10n upon 12, which is equal to 21. When I add, this becomes 16n minus 9, which is 7n upon 12 is equal to 21. Hence, n is equal to, I want only n. This 7 is n multiplication. When it goes on the other side, division. Here 12 is in division. When it goes on the other side, it will be multiplied. So, n is equal to 21 into 12 upon 7. 7 ones are and 7 threes are. So 3 into 12 is equal to 36. So n is equal to 36. This is the answer. See, the equation looked so complex, but we turned it into a simple equation. So here also, now, third one, x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17x minus 5x upon 2. The first thing is we will collect all the like terms with on one side and the constant terms on the other side. Like terms means the terms containing x on one side and all the constant terms on one side. So let's write down x minus 8x upon 3. Now this minus 5x upon 2, I bring it on the left hand side. So it becomes plus 5x upon 2, which is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 7. LCM on this side is 6. So I take the LCM 6. And now to convert it, here I take a common denominator 6. Now here in this, the x, the denominator is 1. So to convert 1 into 6, I have to multiply by 6. So 6 into x is 6x. Same way, 3 2s are 6. So 2 into minus 8x is minus 16x plus. Now 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 5x is 15x. Common denominator 6, which is equal to 17 minus 42 upon 6. Here also the LCM is 6 because this is 7 upon 1. So 17 minus 42 upon 6. When I simplify this, I get that is 6x plus 15x is 21x minus 16x. And I will get it as 5x. If you find it difficult that way, 6x minus 16x is minus 10x and minus 10x plus 15x is equal to 5x upon 6, which is equal to minus 25 upon 6. Now x, here this 5 upon 6, when I take it on the other side, I get minus 25 into 6. This 6 will be multiplied, this 5 will be divided. Minus 25 into 6 upon 6 into 5. 6 and 6 gets cancelled, which is equal to minus 5 because 5 ones are and 5 minus 5s are. Now here you can cancel this 6 and this 6 from here itself. And then take 5 in the denominator and you will get minus 5. Either way you can do it. Your answer should come correct. So x is equal to minus 5. Now we move to question number 4. This is very simple. X minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. Straight away we cross multiply. Take this 5 on the other side and this 3 on the other side. So when we cross multiply, it will be 5 into x minus 5, which is equal to 3 into x minus 3. We open the bracket. When you open the bracket, it means this 5 is multiplied with x also and it is multiplied with minus 5 too. So 5 into x is equal to 5x minus 25, which is equal to 3 into x is equal to 3x and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Now we collect the terms with x on one side and the constant terms on the other side. So I take this 3x on the other side, so it becomes minus 3x. So 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. So 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 upon 2, which is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 is the answer. It's very, very simple. Question number 5. This sum you need to practice once or twice. So please pay attention. 3t minus 2 upon 5 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. As I told you, the first rule is to collect the terms, like terms on one side. So I collect the terms with t on one side and the constant term on the other side. Here we have at present only one constant term. So I take this minus t on the other side. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 plus t is equal to 2 upon 3. Now LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now 4 3s are 12. So whatever is in the numerator, we multiply with 3. So 3 into 3t minus 2. This minus sign as it is. Now 3 4s are 12. So I will multiply whatever is in the numerator with 4. So 4 into 2t plus 3 plus this t is alone. That is, its denominator is 1. And we know that 1 12s are 12. So I will multiply the numerator with 12. So plus 12t upon 12, which is equal to 2 upon 3. Now first we open these brackets and at the same time I take this 12 on the other side. Here it is in the denominator and there it will be multiplied. That is, on the right hand side it will be multiplied. So let's do both these steps simultaneously. 3 into 3t is 9t and 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Children, don't forget to multiply with minus 2 too. Is it clear? Sometimes some children only multiply with 3t. They don't multiply with the another number in the bracket. Don't do that. Multiply with both. So 3 into 3t is 9t minus 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 4 into 2t is minus 8t and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 12. Minus into plus, minus 4 into 3, 12. Plus 12t is equal to 2 upon 3 into 12. 3 ones are and 3 fours are. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Now I collect the like terms one side and as I told you, the constant terms also together. So now I know minus 6 and minus 12 is minus 18. I write down the terms with t together. 9t minus 8t plus 12t minus 18 is equal to 8. So 13t, when I simplify this, I get 13t is equal to 8 plus 18. Minus 18, when it goes on the other side, it will be plus 18. And this 9t minus 8t is t, t plus 12t is 13t. So 13t is equal to 26. T is equal to 26 upon 13, which is equal to 2. So t is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Give a pause, write down all these 5 questions and then move to the sixth one. Sixth one. M minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Now, as I told you before, we will collect the like terms on one side. So here this term minus m minus 2 upon 3. This minus sign is to the whole term. So when I take this on the other side, it becomes plus and m minus 2 upon 3. So m minus 1 upon 2 plus m minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. LCM is 6. So I take the LCM 6. Now here there is 1 in the denominator. So 1 into 6 is 6. So I multiply the numerator with 6. So 6 into m is 6m minus 2 3s are 6. So I multiply this numerator with 3. So minus, because there is a negative sign here, minus 3 into m minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6. So I multiply the numerator with 2 also. So because there is a plus sign here, so plus 2 into m minus 2, which is equal to 1. Now I will take this 6 on the other side. So it will be multiplied with 1 and at the same time I will open the brackets. So 6m minus 3m plus 3. How plus 3? Minus into minus plus. 3 into 1, 3. So it will be plus 3. Plus 2m and plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, which is equal to 1 into 6, and that is equal to 6. Now I collect the terms with m together. 6m minus 3m plus 2m plus 3 minus 4. So 5m minus 1. 6 minus 3 is plus 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5m minus 1 plus 3 minus 4. Signs are different. You subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Sign of a greater number, which is minus. So 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. 5m is equal to 6 plus 1. So 5m is equal to 7. I take 5 on the other side. M is equal to 7 upon 5. Give a pause, write it down. Write down all these 6 questions. We will be completing the exercise in the next part. So till then, stay home, stay safe.